In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can join the MapMetrics liquidity pool. The first thing you need to do is go to Raydium.io. When you're on the site, you can click on Launch App. To be able to join the liquidity pool, you have to make sure you have both MMAPS tokens and USDC inside of the wallet. Click on Connect Wallet. We are going to use the Soulflow wallet, but any wallet in this list will do. Now you're able to see your wallet address in the top right corner. Go to Pools in the left menu, move to the search bar and search for MMAPS. Click on the pool and add liquidity. Now you can decide on how much liquidity you would like to add. You can add, for example, 100 USDC or 10,000 MMAPS. Make sure you have both amounts inside of your wallet. We are going with 100 USDC. Please note that you have read the Raydium's liquidity guide and understand the risks involved with providing liquidity and impermanent loss. Click on Confirm and add liquidity. Log into your wallet and make sure your transaction is correct. Both the amount of MMAPS and USDC should correspond with your transaction. When you check your wallet in the top right corner, you can see in the recent transactions that the add liquidity transaction is completed, the amount of MMAPS, USDC and time of transaction. Now heading back to pools and the MMAP pool. You can see your liquidity added, the estimated 7 days APR, annual percentage rate, that you will earn by adding liquidity to the pool. I hope this video was useful and please don't forget to do your research before joining. You can join our Discord for 24/7 support regarding the MapMetrics project. Check out our AMAs to follow the progress we are making, and I hope to see you in the next video.